The conflict between Israel and Iran is no longer a distant threat. It's unfolding right now, and it's escalating fast. In June 2025, a turning point was reached. On June 13th, Israel launched a full-scale military operation, codenamed Operation Rising Lion, targeting Iran's key nuclear facilities, military sites, and the homes of top Iranian officials. This came after months of rising tensions, missile exchanges, covert operations, cyber attacks, all building towards open confrontation. Just a day later, on June 14th, Iran retaliated with a deadly missile strike on Israeli cities, killing civilians and triggering an even more aggressive Israeli response. By June 15th, Israel had expanded its air campaign, directly striking nuclear targets in Tehran. Then came the moment that changed everything. Hezbollah entered the fight. Backed by Iran and operating from Lebanon, their attacks raised the stakes dramatically. Israeli defense officials warned, this is now a regional crisis. On June 17th, Iran fired hypersonic missiles at Israeli targets. Israel struck back, hitting Iranian missile bases, and the world watched as the conflict teetered on the edge of all-out war. Reactions from world powers were mixed. The United States, under President Donald Trump, demanded Iran's unconditional surrender. France and Germany, meanwhile, called for immediate de-escalation. But if the war continues to escalate, who will stand with Israel? These are the top 10 countries most likely to support Israel, militarily, diplomatically, and economically, if war with Iran explodes into full-scale conflict. Number 10, France. France has long been a close ally of Israel, especially on counterterrorism, military cooperation, and intelligence sharing. Despite occasional disagreements on Israeli policies, such as settlements, France firmly supports Israel's right to self-defense. President Emmanuel Macron has repeatedly expressed concern over Iran's nuclear ambitions, and France has consistently backed sanctions on Iran. In the UN, France has vetoed numerous anti-Israel resolutions and remains deeply committed to maintaining security in the Mediterranean. Number 9, Philippines. The Philippines may surprise some, but it's one of the most consistent pro-Israel voices in Southeast Asia. The country shares strong democratic values and a close military partnership with the United States, which heavily influences its foreign policy. While Manila supports Palestinian rights, it also recognizes Israel's right to defend itself, especially against Iran and its proxy groups. The Philippines cooperates with Israel on defense, counterterrorism, and technology, and will likely offer both diplomatic and humanitarian support if war breaks out. Number 8. Italy. Italy and Israel share a deep relationship rooted in defense tech, trade, and intelligence. Italy has condemned Iran's support for terror groups like Hezbollah and Hamas, and Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni has reaffirmed Italy's 2025 stance alongside Israel. Rome views Israel as a democratic ally in the Middle East, and despite supporting a two-state solution, Italy opposes Iranian aggression. Italy's participation in NATO and peacekeeping missions ensures its military and intelligence support for Israel will remain strong in a broader war scenario. Number 7. Germany. Germany's commitment to Israel is more than political. It's historical. After the Holocaust, supporting Israel's survival became a moral cornerstone of German foreign policy. Chancellor Olaf Scholz has declared that Germany will not tolerate Iranian aggression, and Germany has already helped strengthen Israeli defense systems, including funding for the Iron Dome. As Iran escalates attacks, Germany's military, economic, and diplomatic support will be unwavering. Number 6. India. India and Israel have formed one of the strongest modern defense partnerships in the world. Since the 1990s, the two nations have built ties in missile systems, cybersecurity, drone warfare, and intelligence sharing. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has developed a strategic relationship with Israel, united by shared struggles against Islamic extremism and terrorism. India opposes Iran's destabilizing actions and nuclear ambitions, and in 2025, it continues to quietly support Israel, even as it balances complex Middle East relationships. Number 5. Greece. Greece and Israel have grown increasingly close due to shared energy and military interests in the Eastern Mediterranean. Facing common challenges from Turkey and Iran-backed forces, Greece has aligned with Israel on regional stability, counterterrorism, and security cooperation. Athens has opposed BDS movements and expressed strong support for Israel's right to defend itself. In the 2025 conflict, Greece is expected to provide military aid, diplomatic support, and intelligence collaboration. Number 4. South Korea. South Korea's alliance with Israel may not make headlines, but it's real and strategic. Both countries are surrounded by authoritarian threats. South Korea by North Korea, Israel by Iran and its proxies. That shared reality drives close cooperation in missile defense, cybersecurity, and counterterrorism. In 2025, South Korea continues to back Israel through military partnerships and intelligence sharing, aligning itself closely with U.S. policy in the region. Number 3. Australia. Australia has been one of Israel's most loyal allies in the Asia-Pacific region. United by shared democratic values and strong ties to the United States, Australia has consistently defended Israel in international forums. Prime Minister Anthony Albanese has condemned Iran's nuclear program and proxy warfare, and in 2025, Australia remains committed to military and diplomatic support. This includes intelligence sharing, anti-terror operations, and humanitarian assistance, key elements in any broader Israeli military campaign. Number 2. United Kingdom. The UK and Israel have maintained deep military and intelligence ties for decades. British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has reaffirmed the UK's position. Israel has the absolute right to defend itself, especially against Iranian missile threats and terrorist networks. London often backs Israel at the United Nations, opposing efforts to isolate it diplomatically. In a war with Iran, the UK is expected to provide military intelligence, cyber support, and strategic coordination with US forces. Number 1. United States of America. No surprise here, the United States is Israel's strongest and most loyal ally. For decades, America has provided over $3 billion annually in military aid to Israel, funding crucial systems like Iron Dome, David Sling, and Arrow missile defense. In 2025, under President Donald Trump, the U.S. government has issued a direct warning to Iran, demanding unconditional surrender following missile strikes on Israeli cities. The alliance between Israel and the U.S. goes beyond politics. It's grounded in shared values, democratic ideals, and strategic necessity. From the Pentagon to Capitol Hill, American support for Israel's right to exist and to fight back is rock solid. If Israel goes to war with Iran, the United States won't just back them, they'll stand beside them on every battlefield. Final thoughts. As tensions rise, these 10 countries are prepared to stand with Israel in a war that could reshape the Middle East. Some offer weapons and intelligence, others bring diplomatic and humanitarian support. But together, they form a global shield around Israel, ready to respond if the conflict spirals further out of control. Like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth breakdowns on global conflict, power shifts, and military strategy. Stay alert, stay informed, and stay tuned.